Precision machines roll thousands of cigarettes per minute, ensuring uniform size.
Perfectly rolled cigarettes move toward the packing section.
Machines arrange cigarettes neatly for packing.
Every day, tons of raw tobacco enter the factory, starting the journey to become cigarettes.
Each leaf is carefully cleaned and sorted to ensure perfect quality.
Shredded to precise sizes, this tobacco is ready for the next stage. Special flavor blends are added, giving each cigarette its unique taste.
This is the skeleton of a future road machine.
Finally, they are packed and ready for delivery worldwide. Every batch passes strict quality control before leaving the factory.
From leaf to pack, this is the journey of a cigarette in a modern factory.
Every day, tons of raw tobacco enter the factory, starting the journey to become cigarettes.
Finally, they are packed and ready for delivery worldwide. Finally, they are packed and ready for delivery worldwide.
Filters are added to ensure a smooth smoking experience.
Every cigarette is checked for perfect shape and filter placement. Cigarettes are sealed tightly to preserve freshness.
Accurate counting ensures every pack has the right number of cigarettes.
Packed boxes are prepared for shipment worldwide.
Forklifts efficiently transport products to the warehouse.
Every day, tons of raw tobacco arrive, starting their journey to become cigarettes.
Every day, tons of raw tobacco arrive, starting their journey to become cigarettes.
Conveyor belts transport leaves efficiently into the factory.
Workers carefully handle each bundle to maintain quality.
Every leaf is inspected to ensure only the best are processed.
Special flavor blends are added to create the perfect taste.
Precision machines roll thousands of cigarettes every minute.
Filters are added for a smooth smoking experience. Cigarettes are sealed tightly to maintain freshness. Precise counting ensures every pack has the right number. Packed boxes are prepared for delivery worldwide. Efficient forklifts transport products to storage areas. Products are stored carefully until shipment. Every box undergoes a final quality check. Every day, tons of raw tobacco arrive, starting the journey to become cigarettes. Skilled workers handle each bundle to maintain quality.
Every leaf is checked to ensure only the best are processed.
Tobacco moves efficiently for the first processing stage.
Leaves are sorted and stacked, ready for shredding.
Leaves are dried to the perfect moisture content.
Once dried, leaves are ready for the next stage, shredding.
Leaves are shredded into fine tobacco for uniform rolling.
Shredded tobacco moves to mixing stations. Fine tobacco ensures perfect cigarette filler.
Next stage, adding unique flavors.
Machines mix tobacco for consistent flavor in every cigarette.
Dust and unwanted particles are removed for better quality.
Only soft tobacco leaves move forward for smooth processing.
Drying ensures perfect moisture for shredding.
Exact moisture levels are critical for cigarette quality.
Leaves are cut into fine strands for uniform cigarettes.
Perfectly cut tobacco moves to the blending section. Special flavors are added to enhance taste.
Blending ensures every cigarette tastes the same.
Samples are tested before rolling begins.
Now the tobacco is ready to become cigarettes.
Special paper rolls are fed into machines for perfect rolling.
High-speed machines roll thousands of cigarettes per minute.
Precision cutting ensures equal-length cigarettes.
Filters are attached with perfect alignment. Each cigarette is sealed tightly for durability. Perfect alignment prepares cigarettes for inspection. Automated systems detect any defects instantly. Only perfect cigarettes move to the next stage.
Empty packs are prepared at high speed.
Each pack receives the exact number of cigarettes.
Inner foil protects freshness and aroma. Heat-sealing locks in quality. Workers carefully unload tobacco to avoid damage. Tobacco leaves arrive at the factory to start cigarette production.
Conveyor belts move tobacco into processing areas. Dust and impurities are removed for clean tobacco.
Stems are removed to keep only soft tobacco.
Drying controls moisture for perfect cutting.
Special flavors are added for taste.
Leaves are shredded into fine tobacco. Machines roll thousands of cigarettes per minute. Filters are attached for smooth airflow. Filters are attached for smooth airflow.
Cigarettes are placed into packs automatically.
Packed cigarettes are ready for delivery.